What's up guys, my name is Tony. Welcome back to another episode of Dudes Love Lulu, and today's episode is going to be looking at some swim shorts here. Now I just picked these up on the We Made Too Much section because they are out of season. They're super cheap to grab right now, and these are the Channel Cross swim short 7-inch inseam, size large. So I have two pairs of the shorts here. I have them in this so first off, just so you guys know, I do work for Lululemon's head office in Vancouver. And then speaking of neon, I have them in like a legit neon type colorway here. It's like I can't decide if I either think it's yellow or green. But for showing, these will be easier to show them off. So like I said, these are a size large short. They do have a drawstring on the front here you can play around with. They have a fake middle seam thing where you would have like a zipper on a pair of shorts. So they have a fake one there. The red ones have a black liner, and the yellow ones have a yellow liner, which does. On the back, you do have one pocket here. There's a zip-up pocket on the back. The sides also have pockets as well. Not a lot else to talk about. Let's go try them on. Okay, so here we have the swim short. So these are the 7-inch inseam. I think the 7-inch is actually a really good length for me. Just comes a little bit above the knee, which I really like about them here. Like I said, they do have the false flap on the front, two pockets on the side, the one pocket on the back. Really nice, super bright. I like them. Do some turns. Okay, now these are the yellow ones. You do have to be a little bit more careful with these because they are a little bit more see-through. If you do have a lot of leg hair like me, you can see it through when they are wet, so that is something you do need to consider if you're going with one of the bright colorways. But exact same fit, nothing different than the red ones, just a little bit different color. So there you guys go. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Check you next time.